Hey guys, I'm here today with another Quilty box. So let's dig in. And this box is temporary. They are working on a new design. So that will be changing soon. Let's see what we got here. Bundles of inspiration for April. Okay, and I'm going to pull this out so I get the box out of my way. It's bulky. Okay. So we have a message from Jake. And this tells what's inside the classic Quilty box, which is what I have here. The featured artist is Elizabeth Hartman. And then there's some Q&As with her. Oh, this is really cute. Here's Elizabeth Hartman's pattern. That is so cute. I love that. I might actually have to tackle this one to start. I've been wanting to make something, but I didn't know what. I still have my very first quilt from Quilty Box that I made. I still have to quilt it. It took me like 2 years to do it. Of course, that wasn't... Some of it was due to health issues, but... So here's the pattern for that. And then here's Happy as a Clamshell. This is pattern number 2. That's cute. And then here's a placemat pattern. That's pattern number 3. Those are cute. I have some napkin fabric. I bought these napkins for the fabric, and I think they would look really cute for that. So we got 3, there's 4 patterns. This is Library Baby Quilt by Jenny Baker. That would be pretty easy to do. And there's a subscriber spotlight with Becky Rico. There's her. And a sneak peek at our next month's quilter is Dale Allen Rouse, the Quilting Cowboy. That's pretty cool. And that's it. So let's dig in and see what we have here. So, Nifty Notions. Let's see, let me go ahead and take it out of here so we can see it. There we go. Okay, let's see. I think this is the Is that it? Yeah, that's what it is. This is a reusable, washable lint roller. So it comes, it's like this, and it opens up. And this is the handle now. And here's the lint roller. It does have a piece of plastic on it, it looks like. Yeah, it's got plastic covering it. It's like sticky. So there's that. Okay, it doesn't really say anything about it. So this is reusable lint roller by Stitch Source. It retails for $3.95. So it closes up, and so it protects it and keeps it clean, and it's washable. Okay, what's the next item here? It's by Clover. It's a Wonder Clips Wrist Cushion. Clip and stow. So here's what it looks like. And I'll pop it out of here so you can see it, and I can see it better. So this is like, it's a fabric. I forget what this is like that. It's like felt. That's what I'm trying to think of. So it's like felt. Let's see. It's a Wonder Clips Wrist Cushion from Clover. It retails for $13.95. It comes with 3 clips and this strap. So the strap goes inside here. And it'll fit on your wrist. Like that. You can readjust it, and then the clips go in here. That's nifty. And it's in purple. I think you need a few more in there. Unless you clip it. I don't know if you just clip it. Let's see what it says. Let's read the directions. Assemble the wristband to the cushion by stretching the wristband straight, then pass the band through the loop. Wonder clips are secure in the cushion when clipped to 2 to 3 petals at a time. Okay, so you want to clip them. So there you go. Just like that. And that retails for $13.95, if I didn't say that already. And this will fit like larger sizes as well. If you have a gap, you can see it'll stretch. You can go wider. That's nifty. Okay, we have our thread by Aurifil. It's called Wonderfill Egyptian Cotton 50 weight 200 meters. And this retails for $4.99. And it has like a yellow, blue, and green in it. Let's see. This might be the number TU02. That retails for $4.99. I keep forgetting if I said the price already. Okay. Oh, this is the library quilt one. Okay, we got the fabric for the library quilt. The library fabric bundle retails for $30. So I'm going to get to that quilt so we can see. Okay, this fabric here is for this pattern here. So let's open it up, see what we got. It has this one. And this one. And then here is the 10 square. It's also the library charm pack. There's the UPC for that. 15 pieces. Okay, so let's see if I can do this here. Show you the colors. Okay, we have black. There's that one. This one's darker than that one. That. Tigers. Green tigers. It's a gray color. There's that one. And then that one's darker. There's that. Those little tulips. There's that same one that they included extra of. And there it is. These are 10-inch squares, quickly cut up into 4 sets of charm squares, which are 5 inches, or quick strips, or half square triangles. And that's the 10 square by Robert Hoffman. And it's called The Library. So that is everything today. We got our fabric, which, let's see, I think we would still, I'm not sure which fabrics these are because I need to measure them. You need 1 library charm pack, 3/4 yard of background fabric, which maybe that, 1/4 yard of accent fabric, quilting batting, 1 1/4 yards of backing fabric, and 1/3 yard of binding fabric. So I need to figure out what we have here. But I could do that one. That one's all like squares. That's good for a beginner. all the squares. I think that's a lot easier. And this booklet here with the 4 patterns retails for $10. And if you're interested in the Quilty box, I'll have a link down below. And the subscription starts at $48 per month if you just do month to month. And then if you do the 3-month plan, and you do prepay, the 3-month plan is $46 a month, 6-month is $45 a month, and 12-month is $44 a month. And that all includes the shipping. Okay, so that's this month's Quilty box. So there's some fun, neat items here that can great for using for making quilts or anything. You can use these for your sewing anything. I love Wonder Clips. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments. I'll have links to all the products I can find on the website. And thanks for stopping by. See you again soon. Bye.